Hello, in front of me I've got Nikon Z30. In this video I'll show you how to enable photo filters. In the beginning, let's go to Info. Now go to Set Picture Control. Here you can select Dream, Morning, Pop, Sunday, Somber, Dramatic, Silence, Bleached, Melancholic, Pure, Denim, Toy, Sepia, Blue, Red, Pink, Charcoal, Graphite, Binary, and Carbon. Select it and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.